Hi, do you want to spend Durga Puja in Kolkata? Do you want to do pandal hopping and visit as many pandals as you can in one day? Well, I know I do. So let's get started. This one is going to cover South Kolkata areas, namely Dhakuria, Selimpur, Jodhpur Park, and also the Koshba area. So it's going to be starting at this place, Jodhpur Park, Jodhpur Park bus stand, or also Selimpur bus stand. So you can reach here in a variety of ways. There are buses and autos from all places so that you can reach here. Like you can also reach here by train because the Dhakuria station is just over there. Dhakuria station. From Dhakuria station, you can take a rickshaw towards to Selimpur, and there are also other ways like you can reach Jadavpur Thana, Jadavpur police station, and you can take this road inside over here. You don't have to reach over here then. So after reaching here, we'll start with the first one, which is Jodhpur Park. So Jodhpur Park usually makes some really nice pandals. Last year I think it was a disappointment, and even the year before that one, but hopefully they're going to make something good this year. So after Jodhpur Park, you head towards this is also separated into two different legs. This is the first one. This is Jodhpur Park, Selimpur Dhakuria area. After Jodhpur Park, you go towards Pochanabbaipalli, which is this one. This one actually has some really nice lightings at night, but it's going to be very crowded at night. So after you've seen Pochanabbaipalli, 95 Palli, you take this route and you head towards the outside, towards the main road again, and then you cross the road and head towards the Selimpur side. And the first one is Selimpur Pulli, Selimpur Pulli Durga Pandal. And after visiting this one, you exit through here and then head off towards Baubagan. So you'll be heading towards Baubagan and then entering from here and then exiting from here and then head towards another one. But before that, I want to tell you something, that if you are coming via train over here, then I would suggest you to go to Babu Bagan first and then cross the road and head towards Jodhpur Park and 95 Palli, Pochanabbaipalli, and then head back to Selimpur, because you can't take this route over here and reach Selimpur Palli. You'll have to go out and then come back in. So if you're going out, better visit these two places first and then head back in, because after this there are a few places on the other side of the railway station which sometimes make good pandals. Like if you're coming from here from Baubagan, where we were, you come from here and cross the railway station, or if you're coming from Selimpur Palli, then you take this road and cross the railway station and reach the first one, which is Selimpur Oikotan Club. Just after Selimpur Oikotan Club, and before that there's also another pandal over here which sometimes they made, but I haven't seen them making good ones in the last few years. So it might be a hit or a miss, but the other ones are there. Selimpur Oikotan, then Polli Mongol Shamiti, then Noshkor Parabazar. These three are here. From these three, then you can head towards Koshba, and you can go to Koshba by taking this route over here. I think you can find rickshaws, not auto rickshaws, I mind you, the paddle rickshaws, and go towards Dhakuria, or you can take a slow stroll towards Dhakuria station. It'll take you like 15 to 20 minutes walking, and from Dhakuria you can go one station to Baliganj Junction. There's also another way to reach the pandals over here near Baliganj, which is there are autos and buses which run from Haltu, from Lalgate, so that you can go through Haltu from here. If you're at Noshkorpara, then like it's not a great distance from Noshkorpara to this Lalgate, and from Lalgate you can get an auto towards to Bijan Setu, and from Bijan Setu you can basically walk. It's not that much of a distance again towards Boshpukur. Even from Baliganj Junction, after you get off the train and get off the platform, you will find autos over there, or you can walk the distance towards Boshpukur Park. It's not very far away. It's going to be like 10 minutes walking distance at a normal pace. And after Boshpukur, you go towards Shitala Mandir, Boshpukur Shitala Mandir. And after Boshpukur Shitala Mandir, the final one for today is Rajdanga Nobuday Shongo, which is also not that one, which is also a good one. It's not showing over here because I have clicked it over here. So it's a good one. So after visiting these places, you'll be at the end of the trip and you'll finish near Acropolis Mall. And from Acropolis Mall, you can go to many places. It's very close to Ruby Hospital. You can also get buses directly to Garihut More, from where you can go home, or towards Baliganj Junction again. You'll get autos directly to Baliganj Junction. And this is going to be the end of this one. There are many places where you can have food over here. If you want, let me know if you want me to do a food restaurant kind of review, like places where you can go, not review, but places where you can go. So let me know in the comments below, and if you like this, let me know again. And if you have any suggestions, if I missed something, then let me know as well. This is a very this is a one-day trip. It's all of them are definitely possible in one day. And you can also have lunch at Dhakuria, not near the station, but on the main road. You can have lunch. There's also some restaurants over here, and in Jodhpur Park there's many restaurants. Or in Koshba, there's definitely many places where you can have lunch. Or if you feel like, from Baliganj Junction, you can head to Acropolis Mall first, have lunch, and then head towards all these three places: Rajdanga Nobuday Shongo, then Boshpukur Shitala Mandir, and then Boshpukur Talban, and then head towards Baliganj Junction as well. So I hope you like this one. Give it a like to show me that you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of the next videos as soon as they're out. Adios, bye bye.